feel, to unite together, to work together, especially among the indigenous people of Tripura. I'm very grateful to him, and also I'm grateful to my president, N.C. Verma. As you know, he's our most nervous leader, and also sometimes call him think tank of people. This is a city that takes place today, the joint conference between IKP and Tripura Motha, and all of our colleagues, our friends present here, and especially I thanks to the media friend, print media, that you are really helping us for the betterment of our people, especially for the state of Tripura, and also to the country. Today we get news which you may be expecting for many months. And you know, Tripura and IKP have a series of dialogue taken place. It's not one, but several times we have discussed at length for our future course of action.